Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much for joining me here. We're going to take a quick look at HNT. We usually look at Bitcoin, but I can tell you it's just kind of trending between 46,500 and 47,000. Not really doing anything special here today. So it's nice to see HNT take off and not have any regard for Bitcoin. This is a good sign. It could show a little bit more independence. And obviously this increase in price over the last few weeks has shown that it can definitely do well when Bitcoin has, struck fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, right? Now, before we jump in here, just so you know, not a financial advisor. I love teaching people how to trade. I myself have a Helium miner, and I love to kind of cover this coin from time to time. I got a really cool a lot of people actually in my community that are mining HNT and or invested in it, right? So obviously that's what we want to find out is where it's going to go from here. Hopefully you're also in a similar scenario where you're considering if you should take profits or kind of what your plan of action might be, you're in the right place. I do this day in, day out. This is my full-time job. I have a trading community designed with that specific purpose to help you become a better, more efficient trader. So I hope you learn a thing or two here today. Take a look at the one-day chart. Let's go ahead and see what's going on here. We can see the 50-day simple moving average working as a support level here, or potential support. Hasn't been tested yet, but it's concurrent with our support level here at about $38, $37.90, round number 39, right? So right around $38, $39, we can see that support level, right? So good stuff there for HNT in that sense. Let's see if there's anything else going that's kind of beneficial. We've got obviously the price under 70 and over 50 in the RSI, more room for growth there. So one-day chart looks pretty good. And in that sense, we look at the 4-hour, we're also in a similar scenario. So we do have these 3 strong green candles here. Keep that in mind. We got that 3 white soldiers. We could expect a 4th candlestick to be red. That does happen a lot when the price goes up very fast in a short amount of time, but it's not too aggressive, right? And it makes sense based on the fact that price was regressing down here. So we look at TD sequential, we can see we've gotten a lot of states of consolidation here. We're only at a 3 right now, so we've got plenty more room for growth. So the midterm for HNT looks awesome, right? So we're looking pretty good there. We also had a MACD convergence here as well at 5 a.m. today for HNT. So let's go ahead and mark that right around 5 a.m. We got a MACD convergence, and I like to mark that because it oftentimes works directly with the Ichimoku cloud on the 1-hour chart. And if you knew the cloud, the price being above the cloud, look at that right there exactly at that point. When the price is above the cloud, it basically gives you a buy signal to go long. And if you have a MACD convergence on the 4-hour chart as well, that's kind of like a double rainbow, right? There's both really good indications of a buy signal to help you understand that the price has shifted momentum from bearish to bullish and that you should expect the price to increase moving forward. Is it guarantee? No, but it does increase the likelihood of that happening. We can see that here. If you see the price is above the cloud, check number 1 right there. We already signified that on the 4-hour MACD convergence. We've got the conversion line above the baseline. That's also equally as important. And of course, the most important thing, lagging span is free of any price action and will be probably for another 24 to 48 hours. So we've got likelihood of, I would say, another day's worth of continuation for HNT. Now, we got to understand this, though. We got to consider this, too, right? Because TD sequential is telling us we are at somewhat of an exhaustive state here, right? We're hitting a 6 right now. We had a brief period of consolidation, but not enough to really notice. So what I'm getting at here is that, with the price being at a 6 out of 9, we've got maybe 3 more hours of continuation. So the price, if it were to continue upwards, I would say best case scenario in the immediate future would be $46. I don't think that's likely because we need to see some kind of consolidation soon. And what will probably happen too is if you see this previous high, you can see that previous high was kind of stopped out at $42. So the price were to kind of continue upwards or continue down as like natural progression, it'll come over and consolidate probably right around 42 and then leg up again for another higher high. Okay, so in order to get that higher high and higher lows pattern, we need to see the next higher low be somewhere in the range of 42, and the current high can even stop where it's at presently. But we've literally gotten 3 to 6 hours worth of continuation left in the tank here, and that's on the immediate short term. The long term tells us we have more room for growth. The midterm tells us we have plenty more room as well. We're not overexhausted. And all in all, we've got pretty much everything working positively here. There's literally nothing I can see here that's adverse in the sense of the fact that this should continue. Now, the question I get a lot is, how much higher is it going to go? Okay. Well, if it were to continue to say on this current trajectory, and let's just go with an example's sake here, right? So since December 13th, the price has increased to right now about 75%. So that's roughly about 3 weeks worth of trading data, right? So in 3 weeks, we've seen that amount of increase. So we could see in the next 3 weeks, the price action break its all-time high of $60 and hit somewhere in the range of 61 within the next 3 to 4 weeks. Okay. Now, could that happen sooner? Yeah, it definitely could. Will it happen sooner? I wouldn't put money on it, because the simple fact that this, HNT has healthy patterns for the most part. I mean, even back here with this large candlestick, it's still very healthy in the sense that it was making staircase patterns. Because I looked at it previously when it did hit its all-time high, and it was very healthy. It just pulled back because of the fact that it was overextended. It was like 12 days worth of continuation, right? And it had to come back down. And then it's only been coming down recently because of the Bitcoin sell-off, right? Bitcoin hit its shelf at like 66,000, couldn't go any further. So right now, where we're at with the price action, it makes perfect sense. We're going to see the price continue to the upside here soon. I don't think the likelihood, I do think the likelihood of the price coming down is very low. I don't believe it will come back down much lower. We can see this working, again, $38 is a strong support. 42 is likely the new support level. Okay, we just want the one-day candlestick to close above $42, and we'll be in good shape to see that. But again, I think we're going to be able to see the all-time high get broken within the next month. I would say by January 31st, we should expect the price to be broken there. And then, of course, it could progress upwards of as high as $93. But I think the likelihood of that happening is low in the immediate future, but high in the long term, right? So I think as a HODL coin, you should expect to see the price of HNT double in the next year. I think that's easy to say. But in the next month, we should see it break its all-time high of somewhere in the range of $59, right around 60. Okay, so that's my speculation. So hopefully you found benefit here. Of course, if you do, like, subscribe, comment below, whatever the case is. Let me know if you have an HNT miner, what kind, of course, and kind of go from there. I forget what's mine. Mine's a Synchro bit, I believe it was. I only waited 6 months to get it. Didn't take long at all. Anyways, yeah, let me know if you have any information regarding that. Always curious to hear about that. If not, that's cool too. Looking forward to getting to know you better if you join my community. Hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you soon. Thank you.